So I have a game-changing idea for you. I know it may seem a little hard to believe right now, but trust me, this is something that has been a game changer for me, and I truly believe it will work for you as well. So hey there, I'm Tanvi and welcome back to my channel. And if you are new here, welcome to my channel. So I'm on a mission to help you become fluent in English, and on this channel we dive deep into some topics such as English fluency, confidence building, and communication skills. So, if you are someone who is looking forward to improve your English speaking skills and boost your confidence, you are in the right place. So, please do not skip anything. Watch this video right till the end so that you will get to know about a tremendous tip that I'm going to share with you today, and that will benefit you if you guys are still struggling of not getting the right words at the time of speaking. So that will benefit you for sure. So alright, today I want to tackle a concern that many English learners shared with me. I hear it often, and it's a feeling of freezing up when you try to speak in English, and I completely get it. For instance, you are in a conversation and suddenly the words don't come to you and you are scared. You feel like you won't get the right words and you might even make a fool of yourself. So, yeah, the fear of losing confidence in such moments is so real, and I can feel you. And just let me tell you one thing that I have already been there and I can completely relate to that. In fact, sometimes I feel like it was worst for me in the beginning. Over time, things changed as I got to learn a lot of things, like being in the journey of learning English, and that worked for me. And I'm pretty sure that will work for you as well. You just have to give it a try. So, yeah, today I'm going to address this issue and give you a very practical solution so that you guys will start applying it in your everyday life if you really want to get rid of this. So yeah, here is what you have to do. So first of all, let's accept this. Struggling with the right words happens to all of us, right? Even when I'm speaking to you right now, sometimes I want a perfect word and I keep searching for that in my head, but I feel like it is on the tip of my tongue, but still I am unable to recall that. But that's okay. It is completely alright. It is okay if I am unable to recall that. It is okay if I am not remembering that. Just completely alright. We are human, not machines, right? So, what to do in such situations? So, here is my tip: substitute. Yes, that's right. So, the power of substitution is very real and I use it all the time. So substitute means a word or something that take the place of another word. Okay, for instance, this word is taking the place of this word, another word. Alright. Okay, so I'll be honest with you. So sometimes when I record these videos for you and I cannot think of a perfect word that I want to use. Alright, like any word can be there, any advanced word that I want to use in my conversation, in my videos. If I'm unable to record that, but I don't freeze. Why? Because I substitute it with a simpler one and keep going. For instance, if I want to use exquisite, that means very beautiful. Alright, if I want to use exquisite, but I cannot think of that particular word, so I'll simply say beautiful. There's nothing wrong with that, right? Instead of saying mundane, okay, if it slips my mind, mundane, then I will simply use boring. Yeah, that's completely alright. You can understand that. And this isn't a bad thing, I guess, right? It's a great technique that helps you keep your conversation flowing instead of getting stuck. And instead of getting frustrated when a word doesn't come to you, you can use substitute. That's simple. And it will get the job done and keep the momentum going. So now this is something that I really want you to understand, as we have multiple languages in our country, in India. So we are constantly juggling with a ton of languages such as Hindi, English and other regional languages. So our brains are under constant pressure to manage or switch between the languages. So, which makes it harder to focus on one language, right? And on the flip side, let's talk about a person who is from US, UK. I mean, most of the Americans are exposed to English. They are having a good exposure for this language. So they hear it, speak it, and consume it all the time. So that's the reason they can speak this language at ease. And we people are having this constant juggling. So yeah, that's why. And I guess it's okay to feel challenged. And if you have been learning English for a while, you have probably experienced that initial struggle of using only a few English words to express yourself. But when you keep learning and practicing, your vocabulary will grow and you will find yourself speaking more fluently over time, right? This is exactly how I started. I began with a small set of words, made mistakes, learned from them, and kept practicing. It is all about consistency. So please start using the substitution technique. Do not stress about finding a perfect word and just keep speaking. Whatever comes to your mind, keep speaking. So you have to challenge yourself to speak in English. I know initially you can find yourself a little anxious, but trust me, once you start using that, your conversation will become super easy and you will start enjoying that. So this is all for today and I hope you guys found this video helpful. If so, please like, share and subscribe to my channel and comment below if you have any feedback for me. I'll be happy to know that. And yes, keep learning, keep practicing, enjoy the process. I'll see you guys in another informative video. Until then, bye bye.